providing a full range of insurance services. We are here to help you find the best insurance solutions that fits your needs. With so much info out there, it's hard to know where to start. Why we are the best? Because we love our customers, but we don't take it from us. Check out our Google reviews. Why should you choose limbs insurance? Since 2017, we helped thousands of hardworking individuals secure the right insurance plan. Our expert subject matter will allow us to increase your benefits on a new or exciting plan. Real human sports, online payments, quick claims, expert advice. Client 5,000 plus in Ohio, Florida. 50 plus insurance partners we work with. 3x winner. Best independent insurance agency. Don't wait to start saving on your insurance. We with strong relationships. Our insurance partners and a teacher. Number 2, Danvers Properties, Remote Studio, Alpha, Remark. Don't wait to start all your insurance. Sign up. Sign up to get latest updates. Email address and subscribe. Clients in Ohio, Florida. LMS Insurance Group. Why we are the best. Providing a full range insurance services. Home insurance, auto insurance, commercial insurance, auto insurance.